How not to be afraid of the dark.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Coming! Ready or not? That's just silly. Nobody could fit in there.
Find Bimmy and Heidi.
Yoo-hoo!
Excellent. We found them. Find Bimmy and Heidi. Excellent. We found them. Find Bimmy and Heidi. Excellent. We found them.
Oh. Shut the door. He'll see you. No, don't. That was too easy. Are you okay, Heidi? You shut the door. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I shut your ear in it? No. Then why are you crying? Hide and seek is meant to be a fun game. I don't like the dark, okay? You mean the dark makes you sad? No, it makes me scared. It's only the dark. There's nothing to be frightened of. See? I don't know why I'm afraid. I just am. I knew you'd think it was silly. Please, come back. We don't think it's silly at all. Do we, Charlie? No, of course not.
Oh, what's wrong, Heidi?
Nothing. I just want to go home. She's afraid of the dark. Charlie? What? I'm just saying.
It's nothing to be afraid of, Heidi. Lots of us are afraid of the dark.
Really?
Yes, of course.
Why?
We can be afraid of all sorts of things, Charlie, and they don't always make sense to us.
Yes, like I don't like thunderstorms, and you're afraid of water, Charlie. No, I'm not. Okay, well, maybe a bit.
And that's okay, boys. Everyone can be afraid of something.
Why are we afraid, though?
There doesn't have to be a reason, Charlie, but sometimes it might be because of something that happened before.
I fell in the pond once. The loud bangs make me frightened. I don't know why I'm afraid of the dark. I just am.
That's okay too, Heidi. I used to be afraid of the dark too.
You did?
Very. How come you're not now? Sometimes you can get over your fears.
But how?
Let's go back to Bimmy's house and I can show you. So, if I close the door, it gets dark. It's dark in here because no light can get in. Without any light, it's hard to see. And when we can't see, sometimes we imagine things we don't like.
Yes, that's what happens to me.
But the dark can also be beautiful. Without the dark, we wouldn't be able to see the stars in the sky at nighttime.
Oh, yeah!
Let's turn out the lights in the city to tap on each glowing object. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. Amazing job. Now it's time to look at the stars. Wow, they are so beautiful.
And the dark can also be fun.
Oh! Let me try. Would you mind closing the curtains, please, Bimmy?
See, Heidi? You're already getting over your fear.
Oh, yeah!